Okay, I'm going to go over week 4, module 8, July 1st through the 4th. So it's all about chapter 13 in this module. There are no lecture videos, so just read the chapter and take the quiz. And since there aren't any lecture videos and we're only doing the one chapter, the quiz is a little longer. It's 34 questions. So make sure you definitely do a good job of reading over that chapter. It's not necessarily a long chapter. It's not a difficult chapter to understand at all. Just make sure you get through it, read through it a couple times, memorize some of the art and some of the techniques that they're talking about in the chapter, and then take the quiz. Obviously, it's an open book quiz, so you do have about 45 minutes to take that quiz, I believe, so you get time to take it. And then watch the gold episode of A History of Art in Three Colors. It's episode 1. It's all about the color gold. It's very interesting. And then complete the corresponding quiz by Sunday, July 4th. And then this is basically when the main project, which is worth 15% of your grade, one of the main projects, project number 2, the public art project, is due Sunday, July 4th before 11:30 p.m. And you can submit that below or within the activities assignments menu here. So either one. So you can see the chapter 13 PowerPoint. That'll help you study. Here's the 34 question quiz. You have 45 minutes to take that, so that should be enough time, definitely. This is the gold quiz, so it's actually in 15-minute segments, so you'll have to watch it in 4 pieces, basically. You get an hour and 10 minutes to take it, since you can take it at the same time. I would suggest, watching it on your phone and maybe taking it on your computer, or vice versa, having two things to do it with so that you can, watch it and take the quiz at the same time. And then here's your file upload for project number 2. So that is module number 8. See you next time.